When it comes to sculpture, have you ever wondered why people today still flock to the Trevi Fountain in Rome? How a Giacometti can bring a multi-million-dollar auction result? More than any other fine art medium, sculpture has an indelible permanency of form that makes it instinctively intriguing to the human psyche. Strong sculpture, balanced by its grace and content, can have a nearly infinite lifespan, speaking to viewers across time in a universal language. Bill Barrett stands as one of the only American sculptors in the past 40 years to have created a body of work that will stand the test of time. His 12-foot piece, Action Abstraction, was just placed in the collection of the Nemacolin Woodlands Resort in Pennsylvania, the execution of a $750,000 commission. Barrett's largest works define the ideal of what large sculpture should be in the classic sense. Organic, elegant line drawings in space, their masses and voids are beautifully delineated, and their abstract intimations invite viewers to formulate their own organic interpretations. These monumental works and commissions are numerous and impressive. It is at this scale that Bill's genius of form and mastery of the sculptural process are appreciated best. Early on in his career, in the 1970s, he worked with aluminum and steel, materials which were challenging from a technical standpoint, but which allowed him to naturally express the duality of his compositions, hard and architectural, yet curvilinear and organic. Scaling down, his mid-sized sculptures have the versatility to live indoors and outdoors, ideal for terraces, patios, and landscapes that ache for a focal point. These compositions feel balanced and approachable while still carrying a commanding sense of gravitas. When placed indoors, they instantly elevate an environment as any great sculpture should. Barrett's mid-sized sculptures have the power to charge their atmosphere with strength, presence, and modernity. For any sculptor, small-scale works or maquettes become calling cards in a way, like the beginnings of ideas that speak of what they can grow up to be. In viewing a small Barrett, one feels the calligraphy of his forms. They harken back to man's basic need to make marks, to write, to record, to communicate, and to convey ideas and hopes and emotions through shape. These small works also present studies in the geometric organicism of his style, revealing his intensely interesting lines and alluring curves. Maintaining studios in Santa Fe and New York, Bill's work and presence have never been limited by geography. Found in collections across the globe, his sculpture speaks to the timeless allure of three-dimensional form, unbound by scale or medium.